Hi guys, Mike in the Woods here, and Happy New Year! What an interesting year 2019 has been, both for me personally and for the channel. So first off, I want to extend a huge thank you to each one of you who subscribed and watched my videos. Without you, the channel would literally be nothing. As of recording this video, I'm at 494 subscribers, which doesn't sound like much, but when you remember that I started off the year with only 65 subscribers, that's a 660% growth rate from the beginning of the year to the end. If we keep up that growth rate, we're on track to hit 3,754 subscribers, roughly, by the end of 2020. 2019 has been an interesting year for the channel. First and foremost, I decided what I really want to accomplish with the channel, which was to blend fun and futuristic technology with traditional outdoors adventuring and skills, and is the reason I put a reservation down for the Tesla Cybertruck. And essentially that's going to act as the channel's mascot slash trip vehicle, because I want to prove that electric vehicles can make great backwoods adventuring vehicles. One of the most important things I've accomplished over this past year is a dramatic improvement in the quality of my videos, especially trip videos. If you take a look at videos from over a year ago and compare them to some of my more recent videos, you'll notice a huge improvement in editing and even sound quality. Now, obviously there's still room for improvement. So, now begs the question, what am I hoping to accomplish next year in 2020? Well, by the end of the year, I want to hit my subscriber goal of 3,500 subscribers, but it will also validate the Tesla Cybertruck as a feasible thing to have for the channel. As for channel milestones, I'm on track to hit 500 subscribers, probably roughly around when this video gets released, which is an important milestone because that's when my Amazon affiliate applications will actually get approved, and I don't have to go and redo all my links on all my videos every couple months. One for Amazon Canada and one for Amazon US. As well, I'm on track to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time roughly in the April-May timeframe, which is the most important milestone because that's when I get to monetize my channel with ad revenue. Content-wise, I have all sorts of interesting ideas. I want to get a kayak so I can go on kayak trips with some friends of mine on multi-day trips. I want to do a lot more trips with interesting twists, such as skatepacking, which is backpacking on an electric skateboard, and bikepacking, which is backpacking on a bike. Most importantly, I plan on drastically improving the video quality of the channel by getting a Canon 80D or maybe something different. I'm not dead set on that specific camera. But I've been recording up until this point everything with either my cell phone or my GoPro, and if you've seen my videos, you know that the video quality is subpar, especially compared to some of the more popular YouTubers out there. I'm also going to get a mic for it so that the audio quality is much improved as well. I plan on getting a drone for aerial shots and supplementing all of my trip video footage, where legal, of course. I have my eyes on the DJI Mavic Mini, which is a sub 250 gram drone with 3 miles range, which is important because anything under 250 grams does not have to be registered with the Canadian authorities, and I don't need a drone pilot certificate for it. I also want to experiment more with 3D printed content, as that's an interesting avenue when it comes to outdoors gear that I feel has not really been explored too much in the gear landscape. But all in all, I just wanted to take this time to create a video and just thank all of you for watching and subscribing. We've grown a lot in 2019, and I am damn sure that we're going to do the same in 2020 and years beyond. So thanks for subscribing, and I hope you stick around to see what kind of nuttery I get up to over the next year or 2 years. Because like I said at the beginning of the video, without you guys, this channel would be nothing. You make it what it is. So most importantly, in addition to all of the stuff I mentioned about what I'm looking forward to doing for the channel, I pose the question to you, what do you want to see on the channel? What sorts of things do you want to see that combine futuristic technology with outdoors lifestyle? Be that bushcraft or backwoods camping, prepping, EDC, any of the subjects that I cover on my channel. Do you have a specific item you want to see me review? Do you have a specific type of trip you want to see me go on? What's your interest in this skatepacking content I want to get into? So on and so forth. But anyways, keep this short. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider checking out some of my other videos. Consider subscribing. Leave a like down below as well as a comment, as all these interactions really help out the channel and is what helps YouTube push it in front of more viewers and ranks me higher in the search results. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and I'll see you on the other side, guys.